let's explore some of the most common types. Stocks, also known as equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company, known as a share. And let's continue our journey through the world of investing. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets that trade on an exchange like individual stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. By understanding the different types of investments available, you can create a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, every investment carries some level of risk, but with knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy, you can navigate the market with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, happy investing.